Welcome YouTubers to my model railway. Just a little update on what's going off. Just built a bridge, as you can see, all from scratch, and then I've done some ballast work. It's not worked out too bad. A lot better than it used to be, as you can see. Just need to finish off this bit here, just to add some longer grass to it, and I've just got to finish this little bit off here with some fencing or some walling, and then it should look good, all been well. And then the next project is this corner over here, because I'm going to put some houses at the back here, hopefully, there, and then we're just going to add some lights to the station, and then obviously some fencing, a little car park, and that's about it really at the time being. Then hopefully should get this bit ballast here. But over the next few weeks I should hopefully have this all finished here, all being well. I also bought this at Christmas time, nice 4F made by Batman. Quite a nice little loco, good runner. I also have an Airfix one, which is quite old, but that runs pretty well. So I've got two 4Fs now to go on the model railway. There goes my EMU, finally received by Hornby. It's all going round. Just got that a week before Christmas. Not a bad runner. As you can hear, there's a little bit of squeak from it, but she works quite well. I'll be doing another update once this is all finished, and then you guys can have a look and see what you think. Thank you for watching.